Warrior Plus Affiliate Marketing for Beginners. How to start Warrior Plus Affiliate Marketing for Beginners, Warrior Plus tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. In this video, I'm going to be talking about Warrior Plus and how you're going to be using this absolutely incredible platform to make a lot of money by doing affiliate marketing. So, you're simply going to come over to Warrior Plus and you can go into the affiliates dashboard if you want to, but I'm just going to go into Warrior Plus's main page. So here you can see they tell us your profit is our business. It's best in class sales and marketing automation platform and marketplace for digital business owners and online marketers. Pretty incredible. So I'm going to go ahead and sign up with this first. So here you go into the free sign up account. Just add a username for yourself. Once you do that, you're going to add a password. And once you add a password for yourself, you're simply going to go ahead and add an email address. So once you go ahead and add that, what's going to happen from there is you're going to click on create account. And once you click on create account, you come over here. So Warrior Plus, your Warrior Plus account has been created and now it needs verification. So you are just going to go ahead and verify everything related to your account. So I'm just going to go ahead and complete the verification on my behalf. And once the verification is done, it's going to bring me to the login. So I've obviously verified it from my behalf. So let me show you how the whole thing works now. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to click on sign up. And in the sign up section, obviously, we're going to go ahead and first of all, add the email. Then we're going to go ahead and add our password and click on login. Now, once you do all of that, it obviously takes you into this section. So, so here it says, what is the number one reason you created an account today? I want to sell my own products as a vendor. I want to earn money as an affiliate. So obviously that is what we want. So I'm going to click on that. And now it takes me into impact.com's affiliation section. So obviously, if you want to earn money, it tells you to embark a journey on all of this. So to start getting offers, you are going to want to go ahead into Warrior Plus's affiliate offers, where it's going to give you a lot of offers. And once you get all those offers, what you're going to do is you're actually going to affiliate them. You're going to share them around. So obviously, I'm just going to click on this over here, and it takes me to the offer section. And as it takes you into the offer section, you're going to make sure to use it for best in the marketplace, find offers to promote, and you can get any type of affiliate offer. Look at this all the way down here. You get all these affiliation offers, and you can actually see the conversion rates, the sales, and the actual visitor value. So let's say per visitor, this is how much money we're going to get. So the average sale for this is $31, and the visitor value that we're going to get is $343. And you can also see the heart rate, which is basically, how well it actually works. So to request an offer, let's say I'm going to go with this offer right here. So I'm going to click on request. And this basically sends the creator of the offer a request that, hey, I want your offer. I want to be an affiliate for it. So here, it's going to open this up. And this requests the actual offer. So you get an overview, you get a funnel map, you get the products, and the whole lot, basically. And here you can see it says get swipes, bonuses, content, details, why you must promote business box, all AI, over 8 million in software launch revenue on Warrior Plus and JVZOO, multiple figures, 6 launches, and this will be no different. Guaranteed reciprocation for everyone. Everything you need to make a super profitable, degree. As an affiliate, you agree to the following things. You're going to want to make sure that everything you follow is correct. And once you do all of that, you're simply going to click on request approval. You're going to send some request notes and click on request offer. Now, once you send someone your offer, your request gets sent to the seller. And if the request is accepted, you're going to get a confirmation through your email telling you that, yeah, the user or the creator of the actual product that you requested has agreed. So if you get agreed, nothing is better than that. That's the best thing that you can think of. And once you get agreed, what you're going to do from there is you're simply going to go ahead and start working with the other aspects of, your whole affiliate offering. So let me show you how we're going to work with all of that. Now, to start things off, what we are going to want to do is here in your notifications tab, you can also see all these other, purchase histories that you have. And the thing about, getting money off of affiliates is that all the money gets transferred over here. And the thing is, if you get approved, you're going to get an email. So let me show you the email I just got. So I just got the confirmation email and they tell me how, like, obviously I've been accepted. That's why I got the email. So we're just a few hours away from our launch. They say that we go live by July. So obviously they have been live for a while. So the funnels, sales pages, everything is ready. Everything is up on, these pages, and you can get all your informations from there. And out of all these information, you can simply go ahead and start marketing this person's product. And that is what Warrior Plus actually constitutes. You taking someone's product and obviously sharing it with other people to make other better products. So it gives you a pretty grand idea of how things on this platform works, and it's a pretty good and fun place to be at. And you can actually see your stats for affiliation over here as well. How much products you've gained, how much hops you've made, how much sales you made. You see your hop conversion, you see the money you made from hops and the money you made from sales and the total money you've actually earned. So it gives you a good idea of it. And moving on, obviously, more and more offers can be found in the offers tab. You can search different types of offers with different types of filters, and they're all going to be present in this space over here. So, yeah, that's the general idea and output of all these products that, we saw in front of us. So, yeah, that's pretty much about it for this video. Now, if you enjoyed watching, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to this channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll make more for you. And to go over all of this once again, just come over to warriorplus.com. Okay. Once you go over there, sign up with an account. Once you sign up with an account, let them know that you want to earn money as an affiliate. And once you let them know that, they're going to take you into the Affiliate Central where they're going to give you all these offers to affiliate from. And choose your offer, request it from the actual creator or client. And once you do that, become an affiliate. And per clicks, you're going to start earning good money off of it. And you can earn thousands of dollars off of Warrior Plus in a month. So, yeah, that's pretty much the idea of how you're going to work with this incredible software. So, that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I will see all of you in the next video. Goodbye.